Hi, it's Mark,
And Sophie,
and we are Real Lives.
and we are somewhere in Tuscany.
We wanted to take this moment to recognize that we've all had a really hard year,
It was a bumpy ride.
literally.
We hope that you can also take a moment around these days to just think about what was positive about this year or what are you thankful for. I'm very thankful for the fact that all my family and close friends are healthy, they are safe, they are sane, they have something to eat on the table and a roof over their head, and I think that's what's count.
Speaking for myself, but I think also for Sophie, 4 months ago, we had no idea how we were going to live. And today, because of the decisions we had to make in that moment, we feel more alive than we've ever felt in years. So you may not see the light at the end of the tunnel, but it's there. And in the meanwhile, like Sophie says, if your family's safe, if you have friends that you can connect with, and if you just recognize the million kindnesses that are surfacing in this moment, you'll get through this.
And in the next post, we're going to ask you to share something good about this year, and we would love to hear your stories.
We'll all get through this if we share our joy. So I want you to have a very happy holiday season. Your turn.
Yes, Merry Christmas to everybody. Happy holidays, whatever you're celebrating, whatever you believe in. I think what we all have in common is that our hearts count, and we will be happy to hear from you. And take care.
Thanks.